Hello, welcome to Virgo, Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Take only what resonates. Please do like and subscribe, guys. Ma-appreciate ko yung mga positive comments. Sobrang thank you sa mga yan. If you want to avail our products, yung mga crystal bracelets, evil eye, Lucky Charm, doon na lang po sa aming TikTok shop, Unipri, UNIPRI sa TikTok. And then, sa aming Facebook page, dyan ka rin pwedeng mag-inquire ng personal reading. Madam, space P, lagyan mo na lang din ng space sa dulo. Ayan. So, yeah, let's start. Or sa aming Gmail, virgophilippines@gmail.com. Main energy, Virgo, Ace of Cups, Knight of Pentacles, the Page of Wands. Wow. This could be new love or connection, communication na unti-unting nade-develop. I mean, the Ace of Cups, pwedeng may love na dito or ano na, nade-develop na si love, no? Nagkakaroon na ng something sa inyo ng person na ito. There's a lot of love here. It is actually slow pero steady. Like an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Pwede nga ang kakonect mo is an earth sign din. May communication, pero hindi siya yung communication na hagas na hagas. Alam mo yun. Hindi ko alam kung may word bang hagas na hagas. Sinabi ko lang yun. Pero yun, alam mo yun, hindi yun siya yung tipo ng connection na nagmamadali. Slow but steady connection. Person na kakonect mo pagdating sa love. Person na kakonect mo pagdating sa love. You do have here the Five of Cups. Nine of Swords. Ten of Wands. Okay. Bottom of the deck is a Death card and the Eight of Wands. Yeah. Okay. Ito ibang energy nito. Kasi while you are feeling a lot of love pagdating sa communication or kakonect mo, there's a person na nalulungkot at sasaktan. I mean, this person is broken-hearted, umiiyak sa'yo. Pwedeng pwedeng ikaw ay umalis, lumayo, or maybe there's an ending na nangyari sa inyo ng person na ito. This could be a person in the past, or sobrang nasasaktan ng taong to. This person is looking at you. And then, parang ikaw wala kang pakialam sa kanya. Maybe you are focusing doon sa new love. Okay? So, this could be a person from your past, maybe an ex. Sobrang nasasaktan, nalulungkot siya. Hindi niya akalain. Sobrang, this person is feeling heavy inside. Deep inside. Kasi, pwedeng bukod sa pakiramdam niya, wala ka ng pakialam. Pwedeng na-stress siya, hindi niya alam kung anong gagawin. This person wants you back. Pero parang hindi niya rin alam kung paano gagawin, paano mababalik yung sa inyo. Emotions ninyo sa isa't isa. Yung iba sa inyo, maybe you are already married or maybe may marriage na involved dito sa person na to. Maybe this is your ex-husband, ex-wife. And to source pwede nagkaroon ng separation or nagkaroon ng pagdidesisyon regarding focusing on your beginning. Yan. Kung hindi naman kayo, kung hindi ganun yung situation mo, di wag mo yung kunin. But for now, ang decision mo is to focus on things or people na magbibigay sa'yo ng stability, stable relationship, stable connection. However, the Seven of Swords, ito yung emotions niya for you. Three of Wands, this person is missing you. Seven of Swords. And the Three of Wands, namimiss ka niya. What's with the Seven of Swords? Queen of Wands. I feel like itong person na to is pwede this person is walking away pero namimiss ka niya. What's with the Queen of Wands? Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. You do have the Nine of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Some of you, itong person is thinking about the future. Thinking about the future. And meron tayong mga nakikita tayo ditong person na parang lagi lang siya nandyan for you. Lagi lang siya. Kung hindi pa nagkakaroon ng separation, this person is there, and then yung loyalty niya sa'yo. And this person is hindi pa rin nawawala sa isip niya. Kung halimbawa hindi pa kayo nagkakaroon ng separation, hindi pa rin nawawala sa isip niya na anytime aalis ka or mawawala ka. So, hindi siya sigurado. Actually, nasasaktan talaga siya. Kung nagkaroon na ng separation, nandun yung namimiss ka nitong person na to. Pero pwedeng hindi niya sinasabi. Or hindi niya... Kung sinasabi man niya, I feel like itong person na to, ginaguard din niya kasi yung emotions niya, yung puso niya. Ayaw niya masaktan. So, some of you pwedeng sinasabi, yung iba pwedeng hindi. So, what will happen in the future for you, Virgo, for the sign of Virgo? The Emperor is here, the Devil. Kung hindi ka nakaka-relate, huwag mong pilitin. Ibigay mo sa iba ang reading. And feel free na mag-comment. Basta positive lang, guys. Hindi ko ina-accept yung mga negative kasi ayoko mag-spread ng negativity dito sa ating channel. Puro major arcana except for the Queen of Pentacles. What's with the Queen of Pentacles? Five of Pentacles. Ten of Swords. Well, I can see separation dito. I don't see this connection as magtutuloy. Kung hindi pa nagkakaroon ng separation, separation is coming. Kung nagkaroon na ng separation, nagtutuloy-tuloy. Kasi yung iba sa inyo, someone here is being a manipulator. That the Emperor is here. Parang may mga bagay na mahirap nang baguhin. Lalo na nagkaroon ng mga realizations dito. And yeah, I can see the Tower. This is an ending, separation. And the Ten of Swords is here at the bottom of the deck. Nakikita natin na parang hindi na welcoming or hindi na welcome itong connection or ibalik si love or what. Hindi na siya may babalik ba. But I can see new love, new connection, person na would offer you new beginning and new love for you. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.